Hello everyone, this is Janelle Clue of LOJO Immigration, where we provide you with confidence and clarity with your immigration legal matters. Okay folks, so today's video is about social media and visa applications. Interesting combination. Okay. So, how many of you have heard about the State Department's announcement that as of May 31st, 2019, visa applicants are going to have to provide their social media details on their visa application? Okay, let me give you some more information on that. Basically, as I said, as of May 31st, 2019, the visa applications have been updated, okay? So the new applications require visa applicants to provide details of their social media accounts. What kind of social media accounts? You know, folks, we're talking what? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, okay? When you are applying from abroad, okay, at one of the U.S. embassies or consulates abroad, if you're applying for a visa to come to the United States, you're going to have to provide information about your social media accounts, okay? In addition, the new visa application forms are also going to ask you about your telephone numbers, including cell phones, various cell phone numbers for the last 5 years, as well as your email addresses that you've used for the last 5 years, various places where you have traveled, other countries that you have traveled to. Okay, so this is all part of the State Department's increased security measures, okay? What they've referred to as extreme vetting of visa applicants. So basically, these recent changes are going to be affecting about 15 million people who apply to come to the United States each year on various visas, okay? 15 million people. You may be wondering, well, before they made these changes, weren't they vetting visa applicants before? Yeah, certainly. In the past, roughly each year, maybe about 65,000 people were subject to this enhanced security measures, this extreme vetting. But now they've made it basically routine across the board for almost everyone who applies for a visa to come to the United States. Are there any exceptions? Well, okay. Perhaps people who are coming to the U.S. on diplomatic visas or various government officials who are applying may not need to provide this information, but most everyone else will. Okay? So, now that you know about these changes to the visa application forms, I'm curious to know what you think. So please leave your comments in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this? Do you think that this is a good thing, that the U.S. government needs to, get all this detailed social media information about anyone who's applying for a visa to come to the U.S., even if it's for a short visit? Or do you think that it's an invasion of privacy to ask for this much information? For those of you who do apply for visas to come to the United States, I'm curious to know what you think. Are any of you going to not apply for a visa or choose not to come to the United States because of this new rule? Or does it not really make much of an impact to your decision to come or not come to the United States? I'm also curious if, now that you know that, hey, Uncle Sam is going to have your social media account information and you know who you are out there in cyberspace, does it, perhaps change what you say in what you say out there on the internet? Do you feel that in any way your free speech is impeded by knowing that you're going to have to provide your social media information. So I'm just curious, so folks, leave your comments down below. As always, if you have questions about your particular situation, then please reach out to us here at LOJO Immigration. You can find us on the web at www.lojolaw.com. If you found the information in this video to be helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up. Also, share the video and click to subscribe and look out for more videos from LOJO Immigration. Thanks for watching. Bye.